All right, so in this lesson, we will calculate and interpret. Calculate and interpret the volume of a sphere. So the volume of a sphere. This one's not going to be too bad. It's a pretty easy formula. So the volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi times radius to the third power. So all we need to know is the radius. So right here, radius. Radius from the center to the outside. And it is 5 units. I want to make that a different color actually. Let's do it like this. So this is the radius. And it's 5 units. So I just go over here. Let me rewrite this for this example. So V equals 4/3 pi radius to the third. Always write it out first. Always write it out first because there's not much work today. 4/3 pi. My radius is 5 units to the third power. Remember, in order of operations in PEMDAS, we will do the parentheses, everything in is done. Now we do exponents. So you get 4/3 pi, 5 times 5 times 5 is 125. And units to the third power is units to the third power. Now I'm going to multiply these two right here. 4 times 125 is 500. But remember, this is over 1. So I will put that in a different color. So this is over 1. So that's 500 over 3 pi. Units cubed. Oops. Okay, that's it. And I'm going to write an estimate. So I'm going to use 3.14. So pi is approximately, I guess I could do that in a different color too. Pi is approximately 3.14. You can use the pi button if you want. I'm just going to use 3.14. And so I get 500 over 3 times 3.14 is 523. I'll write it like that. It'll be orange so you can see it. Volume is approximately 523.33 repeating. It looks like, probably not with, but we'll just go with it. Units cubed. And I will go ahead and box that. Remember, this is approximate anyways. So this probably isn't the case. It's not probably repeating, but according to my rounded calculator, that's what's happening. So the sphere, now let's keep it like this. The sphere is made of approximately 523.33 units, or we'll say unit cubes. All right, one more example, then we're done. So we have the sphere right here. Let's go ahead and write our formula. V equals 4/3 pi radius to the third power. And actually, let me correct this. Pi. Okay, so we get 4/3 pi. Let's find out what our radius is. So this is my diameter, it's 9 inches. So my radius is 4.5 inches. So 4.5 inches to the third power. Nope, wrong color. No, that was right. My eyes just deceived me. Okay, now let's do this right here. So we get 4/3 pi, and then we get 4.5 times 4.5 times 4.5 is 91.125. And then inches times inches times inches is inches to the third power. Multiply that by 4/3. It's 121. Well, let me try something. 91.125 times 4 is 364.5. Okay, divided by 3 is 121.5 pi inches to the third power. That'll be my exact answer. And then my approximate answer. Remember that we're approximating pi to 3.14. So the volume is approximately 121.5 times 3.14 is 381.51 cubic inches. So the sphere is made up of approximately 381.51 inch cubes. Basically means if we wanted to create this, we would create it using 381.51 like inch cubes of concrete, and when we put them all together, we can form them into this sphere. So that's it. Thank you.